Comprehension. Pigs are particular. Have you ever wondered why pigs wallow in the mud? It's not because they are dirty animals. Pigs have no sweat glands. They can't sweat, so they roll in the mud to cool themselves. The next time you hear anyone who's hot say, "I'm sweating like a pig," be sure to correct him, her. Humans can sweat, but pigs cannot. Actually, pigs are particular about their pens. They are very clean animals. They prefer to sleep in clean, dry places. They move their bowels and empty their bladders in another area. They do not want to get their homes dirty. Another misconception about pigs is that they are smooth. Only cartoon pigs are pink, smooth, and shiny looking. The skin of real pigs is covered with bristles, small, stiff hairs. Their bristles protect their tender skin. When pigs are slaughtered, their bristles are sometimes made into hairbrushes or clothes brushes. Female pigs are called sows. Sows have babies twice a year and give birth to 10 to 14 piglets at a time. The babies have a gestation period of 16 weeks before they are born. All the piglets together are called a litter. Newborn piglets are on their tiny feet within a few minutes after birth. Can you guess why? They are hungrily looking for their mother's teats so they can get milk. As they nurse, piglets snuggle in close to their mother's belly to keep warm. Directions. Answer these questions about pigs. Please refer back to the text and use it to help you find the answers. You can underline or highlight where you find the answers. Number 1. Why do pigs wallow in mud? Number 2. How long is the gestation period for pigs? Number 3. What are pig bristles used for? Number 4. Tell 2 reasons pigs are on their feet soon after they are born. Reason 1. Reason 2. Number 5. A female pig is called a bristle, piglet, sow. Number 6. Together, the newborn piglets are called a group, family, or litter.